Welcome to our channel. Get out the black marker and draw rain. And color it in. Draw the outline of the cloud. Here are the little raindrops. Let's give the clouds a cute expression. Let's start with the eyes. Starlight eyes. Eyelashes. Blush. Next, draw the raindrop expression. Sadness. Aggrieved. Surprised. Curious. Sad emoji. Sad emoji. Now the simple pattern is complete. Let's start stroking and bolding. That's great. Let's color it blue. Sky blue. Pink. Green. Yellow. Rose. Orange. Pink. Pink green. Blue. Red. Yellow. The work is done. It's beautiful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.